Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we installed Satellite. In this video, we will import the subscription manifest and sync content on the Satellite server to make Satellite really useful. By the end of the day, our goal is to patch and update rel clients from Satellite. For that, we need content like RPMs and errata in Satellite. To import that, we must allow Satellite to sync repositories by adding a manifest in Satellite. First, let's understand what a manifest is and why we need it. A manifest is a set of encrypted files containing information about your subscriptions. We use the manifest to import subscription into Satellite. Then, Satellite can sync the repositories provided by these subscriptions from CDN. After that, client machines will be able to access those repositories from Satellite. In simple terms, if you have n number of Red Hat subscriptions in Satellite, you can serve content to clients according to what those subscriptions provide. In the real world, how many clients per subscription are allowed depends on the subscription type and the core or socket counts of the client. Always follow your subscription terms and do not misuse it. Now, let's dive into practical part and generate the manifest. To generate a manifest from the Red Hat customer portal, go to the access.redhat.com and make sure you are logged in with your Red Hat account. Go to the subscriptions, click subscription allocations, click create new subscription allocation, give it a name, and select the appropriate Satellite version. Click create. Now add subscriptions in this allocation. Satellite will be able to access the repositories associated with the subscription you add here. Then click submit. Export the manifest zip file. Next, let's import the manifest file into Satellite. Open the Satellite web UI and log in as admin. Remember, each organization in Satellite has its own manifest and subscription. We will import the manifest into demo organization created during installation. Go to Content, Subscriptions, and click Manage Manifest. Click Browse, then select Manifest zip file. Then wait to import completely. It usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. The manifest is imported. Now we can enable and sync repositories. We will enable and sync the repositories in the next video. Please comment and let us know if you want that next video.